Hi, my name is Amelia, and today I'm going to show you my coffee machine. So what do you want, Mum, for today?
Can I please have cappuccino, sweetie?
Okay. And push this button. And done. I'll just leave that here.
Thank you, sweetie. That was such a yummy cappuccino. Thank you, sweetie pie.
Bye. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.